Colorado damage caps. Personal injury accidents in Colorado can leave victims seeking financial compensation from the responsible party. Damages, which refer to the legal compensation awarded, may be subject to caps in certain states, including Colorado. These damage caps impose a maximum limit on the amount a plaintiff can receive from a defendant. It is essential to understand how these caps can impact your claim and determine the potential value of your case. Exploring Colorado's damage caps. Colorado has some of the most stringent damages caps in the United States. As per Colorado Revised Statute 1321-102.5(3), plaintiffs in civil claims cannot recover an amount exceeding the imposed damage cap. Pain and suffering damages. In Colorado, non-economic damages, including pain, suffering, emotional distress, and loss of consortium, are subject to a $250,000 damage cap, which may increase due to inflation. In cases involving permanent physical impairment, the cap on pain and suffering damages is entirely eliminated. Punitive damages. Punitive damages are awarded to punish defendants for their actions and are granted in cases involving gross negligence or intentional harm. According to Colorado law, a punitive damage award cannot exceed the plaintiff's actual damages unless certain criteria are met. If these criteria are satisfied, the cap on punitive damages can increase up to 3 times the amount of actual damages awarded. Wrongful death damages. In wrongful death claims, the recoverable amount for pain and suffering damages is limited to $250,000, plus inflation, or $500,000. However, if the claim involves medical malpractice, the cap increases to $300,000. It's important to note that the cap is eliminated entirely for wrongful death claims resulting from felonious killings. Medical malpractice claims. For medical malpractice or medical negligence claims, the total damage cap is set at $1 million. Among the awarded amount, no more than $300,000 can be attributed to the plaintiff's pain and suffering. Unfortunately, these caps can be underwhelming in many medical malpractice cases where injured victims may face a life of pain and loss of ability to live the same life. Dram shop claims. Dram shop claims refer to damage claims filed against vendors or establishments that served alcohol to individuals who were visibly intoxicated. For instance, if a bartender overserves a patron who later causes a drunk driving accident, the victim may have grounds for a dram shop liability claim. The purpose and impact of damage caps. Damage caps play a role in limiting the amount a plaintiff can recover from a defendant. They are designed to prevent civil lawsuits from excessively burdening the state's economy. Calculating the maximum damage cap, accounting for inflation, may require the assistance of a personal injury attorney in Denver. Understanding comparative negligence. In addition to damage caps, Colorado follows a modified comparative negligence law, Colorado Revised Statute 1321111, that can affect a plaintiff's financial recovery. Under this law, the courts can reduce a plaintiff's compensatory award based on their percentage of fault for the accident and resulting injuries. If you bear some responsibility for the incident, your compensation may be lower than it would have been otherwise. Engaging the services of a personal injury attorney for insurance negotiations or an injury trial can help minimize your comparative fault, enabling you to maximize your financial recovery, up to the state's applicable damage cap. Consulting with a knowledgeable personal injury attorney can provide the guidance necessary to navigate these complexities successfully, ensuring you receive the compensation you rightfully deserve.